Hi guys, it's me Ubprogrammer, and today we will talk about HTML second lecture. And if you are working on any custom project, you can text me on the WhatsApp or directly mail me to discuss about it, and or you can fill out this form also. Okay, let's get started with the video, and I will just say okay, so we will do changes here, but I will say HTML2 and then give it an extension of HTML. So just creating a new file for writing the code. And today the topic is how HTML can play a role in the SEO of websites. So search engine optimization, how Google will see your website. Okay, so SEO role. Okay. Okay, so now what we can do is create heading tags, and I'll just say heading 1, and I will just copy paste this because we have 6 headings in the HTML, and I'll just say corresponding. Now let's render this web page, and we will get these headings. Okay, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. You can see the size differencing in it, but how the Google or search engine optimizer will see your web page is considering this heading 1 as the main title of your page. No matter what you give the size of the heading to, if you specify it, it will obviously change, but it doesn't matter if the size of this heading 3 you make some text bigger than this heading 1, but Google will see h1 tag in your web page and then consider it as the main heading. So if you are just creating a paragraph, I will just say p tag here, and my text, and I can just say style, the font size is extra large. Okay, let's see. So you can see it's even bigger than this heading 1, but Google will not take this text as the main title of your web page, but will take this h1 tag as the main title. So always consider, do not confuse this h1 heading tags with the sizing of your text, because you can obviously do that with many other properties of the styling or even in the HTML. So this is the inline CSS. You can do that the sizing with this format, but always consider to put your main titles in the heading tags so that Google can understand what your page is about. Okay, so that's how Google will see your web pages, and make sure to follow this you can say convention which Google follows or search engine optimizers follows. You can always learn about in the documentation of the Mozilla for the this MDN reference. You can always search for SEO there. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you now understand how you are gonna design your web pages, and I will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.